Air Force pilots are flying U-2 aircraft at high altitudes in a 2-year research program to measure and predict high-altitude clear air turbulence. The project is known as HiCAT. Air Force Dynamics Laboratory, Wright Patterson Air Force Base, is conducting the tests so design engineers will know what stresses and loads to expect at 50,000 feet and above in clear air high-altitude turbulence on supersonic transports. Research flights are being conducted at Edwards Air Force Base, California, Eielson in Alaska, and Ramey in Puerto Rico. Later in 1966, other bases around the world will be used in the HiCAT program. Under Air Force contract, Lockheed California has developed an instrumentation system which collects, processes, and analyzes data from which to develop a statistical model of HiCAT that will enable forecasting of turbulent atmospheric areas. Turbulent areas, which may measure 100 miles across and 3,000 feet thick, result from the heating of air, wind shear, and gravity wave activity. A typical mission lasts approximately 5 hours. Flying at lower altitudes, an RB-47 is used to monitor communications from the weather plane. An 8-foot boom and gust probe on the aircraft nose measures gust velocity. Vanes on the probe detect vertical and horizontal turbulence changes. The instruments can even register a man's breath. The U-2 has very complex instrumentation. In all, approximately 30 precise atmospheric measurements are fed into the magnetic computer tape on board. Not only the vertical, lateral, and longitudinal turbulence effects are measured, but the response of the aircraft to the varying wavelengths are noted and recorded. It is hoped by Air Force engineers that analysis of the resulting data will indicate the probability of aircraft encountering atmospheric turbulence when traveling over specific terrain and under certain weather conditions. Then structural engineers can design specific strength into wing and other structural components so that future high-altitude aircraft will be able to fly through HiCAT weather without damage.